This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, February 18th, 2016, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a flow coming out of the west. We have a system moving across the mid-Atlantic northeast, or a trough axis there. Another system moving across the west. That's going to produce a little bit of precipitation out there, especially some rain and mountain snow again in the Sierras. You see the system moving off the east coast with a little bit of precipitation. Most of it is along with that frontal system well out in the Atlantic. Around here, there's a little disturbance that may clip our northern counties late tonight into Friday with a little rain, but the big story will be the warm temperatures. 40s and 50s today, 40s, 50s, and 60s on Friday, but it will be very, very windy. Winds could gust well in excess of 30 to 40 miles per hour both today and mainly on Friday. Then into the weekend, the winds will calm down, but the temperatures will also come back down as well, back into the 40s to lower 50s, maybe some middle 50s on Saturday, and then Sunday we could see readings back into the 30s and 40s across the state. A little bit of precipitation may skim just to our north. That might be in the form of some snow or a rain-snow mix. Some rain from the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley down into Texas. Another system crashing into the western part of Canada. But around here, temperatures will start to drop back into the 30s and 40s, like I said. Nothing too outrageously bitter cold, but a lot of our snow will be gone, so that will keep our temperatures a lot warmer than they could be if we still had the snowpack on the ground, as we mostly do in the state as of right now. Going into the early part of next week here, you can see a system moving across the south with quite a bit of precipitation there, but we stay mainly dry, and as the system runs up the east coast, that could bring us a little bit colder air. We're talking like 30s. We're not talking like 5 or 10 degrees above zero, but it's not going to be the 50 and 60 that it is or will be in the next couple of days. You can see where's the the flow by this next week. Flow out of the north and west. Ridge over the west, trough over the east. Disturbance coming down, and this could be a fairly decent system, unlike the few weak disturbances we might be seeing. This could bring us a little bit of precipitation. Could be in the form of rain, but it looks more like it could be in the form of snow. Very temperature dependent. We'll keep watching it. Going into the extended period here, on Leap Day, February 29th, a fairly decent storm system moving into the Canadian Maritimes. Flow is pretty much becoming west to east. System out over the eastern Pacific will be crashing into the west coast with some rain and more mountain snow. The Sierras are wanting more snow, so if you want to go skiing, head to Lake Tahoe, because they're going to get snow over the next week or two, as they hope, and they're crossing their fingers. But our flow will be out of the northwest, and then it'll slowly move from west to east, as I said. So by the time we get into the first couple of days of March here, for example, is the 4th of March at the end of the forecast, our temperatures will be coming back up again. It'll feel more like a lamb, except for the fact the weather will be lioness, or more lionish, with quite a bit of rain. It looks like rain at this point, but there's still more than 2 weeks out. Still plenty of time to watch it, so we'll keep watching it. Satellite image from last evening. You see that frontal system well off the east coast, moving it farther into the Atlantic. Got a system coming in from the west. This will be the disturbance that skims our northern counties with a little bit of precipitation late tonight and into Friday. But it's going to be bringing a lot of wind. Lots of wind advisories across the west. A lot of fire danger. Red flag warnings down to our south and southwest. Winter weather issues across the Sierras, and they want some winter weather issues because they need more snow there. QPF chart over the next 5 days, not a whole heck of a lot. Maybe a couple hundreds at best over the area. Better chances, well, to our south and also across the west, where they could see a lot more snow in the Sierras.